be aware of a very important thing we all ought not to forget, and always keep in mind. Education is rather than knowledge, more about principles, morals, and values. Not about knowledge. And I will show you a very, very, very strong example, which I think has never been in the past, in my lifetime, more actual than now. Please. And I'm going to read this for you, or to you. They say it's worth reading twice, I think even 3 times. What is education? At the end of World War II, this letter was found in a Nazi concentration camp. It is addressed to the teachers, to you as well. I am a survivor of a concentration camp. My eyes saw what no man should witness. Gas chambers built by learned engineers. Children poisoned by educated physicians. Infants killed by trained nurses. Women and babies shot and burned by high school and college graduates. So, I am very suspicious of education. My request is, help your students become human. Your efforts must never produce learned monsters, skilled psychopaths, and educated illiterates. Reading, writing, arithmetic are important, only if they serve towards making our children more humane. Because what is happening right now is unacceptable in the 21st century. People from Ukraine who talk about days and weeks about that. We can only imagine.